You should always dry up milking does at least a month or two before kidding. Sometimes they will dry themselves up sooner, but if they're extremely heavy milkers, you'll have to do something to help them dry up. There are several ways to go about this. You can give them a lower protein feed, which could mean cutting alfalfa, cutting grain, or feeding a different grain. You can rub peppermint essential oil on their udder twice a day. Or you can just cold turkey quit milking. There are pluses and minuses to all of these methods. With cutting the feed, especially with pregnant does, they really do need those nutrients. And diet changes are never good for goats because it causes them a lot of stress. Quitting milking cold turkey has some pretty obvious downsides. When they're extremely tight, they're very uncomfortable. They're also at a pretty high risk for mastitis. Peppermint essential oil doesn't really have any downsides though. What I do is I only milk enough to relieve pressure if needed. So that's basically quitting milking cold turkey, but it's not quite cold turkey because you are making sure to keep them pretty relieved so they don't get mastitis. And I also rub peppermint essential oil mixed with a carrier oil into their udder twice a day. This method dries them up very quickly. I could probably dry them up faster if I cut feed also, but I really don't like to do that because I'm usually drying up pregnant does and I really think they need all the nutrients they can get. Chill.